Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to take a look on the project I've been working on recently. This is the Devlog project. It took me 2 months to reach this level. Game about a disease. People die from the disease. We are not going to see any zombies, any creature or stuff like that. Only humans. We only see humans enemy. They will survive from the disease. You are the one. And also I use advanced locomotion system, which is free on Unreal Engine 4 marketplace. You can download it and use it. Advanced locomotion have some really cool feature, really cool mechanics, like this climbing up. And also like this rolling, crouching, walking. And also in this game we got like 11 location. The first location we have is a train yard, I guess. We got this old factory, and the map is quite big, but in this level I just implement 3 level. The level 1 is crashed airplane. This is crashed by military missiles. And we got the old factory. It is not done yet, needs a lot of work. And we got one more location. This old abandoned military base. As you can see, guys, I use a lot of assets because it's obvious I'm not a 3D creator or 3D animator or environment designer or coder. Let me show you the assets I use. As you can see, I use a lot of assets down here. Let me show you the weapon system. I mean the equipment system. We got this default equipment. If you choose the rifle, the game will spawn a rifle into your hand. Shooting, we got reloading mechanics. If you switch back to default, the game will attach your weapon to your back. There is no need to respawn it. Save some performance for you. The cool feature. And also we got our pistol. The game check if you have the pistol, it will attach to your hand. If you don't have it, game will spawn the pistol to your hand. Also we got the reloading mechanics for this one, by the way. So this is it, the first devlog about my project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I upload the Unreal Engine 4 tutorials daily. Every night I got tutorial, so make sure don't miss it. And I see you in the next one. Bye.